Actually, the Gen4olive is very important for the European Union because 95% of the olive production is done by Mediterranean coast countries. So it's important. Germplasm is so important. All the Mediterranean countries full of the germplasm and full of the varieties, maybe genotypes. And we have to protect them. But the next step for the Gen4olive should be to protect this in cryoprotection system. By this way, we can avoid the fire dangers and other than drying or diseases, Xylella problems, all these problems. We can protect these our germplasm with in a small scale in the laboratory in the cold conditions, cryoprotection system. And if we can manage to produce nursery plant in sanitary nursery plant, by this way we can get samples from cryoprotected variety, and we can produce micropropagation techniques using by this way. We can get nursery plant for nurseryman, and nurseryman will grow these plants for growers. By this way, they don't need any certification for the sanitary. The name of this true name and everything is controlled. And now we are working on germplasm, but by this way, in the second step, we can use this germplasm for the economy. Because each variety has many different mineral compounds. These mineral compounds are good for health. Oleacanthal, oleuropein, ligrosid, triazole, hydroxytriazole, oleacin, and these are many chemicals, antioxidants, is for the human body, for health. So it's very important. We have to take care of this one, and we have to produce the olive trees for the growers in good way. Turkish olive oil sector should follow the way for health, because it's in the origin, it's Upper Mesopotamia is the origin of the olive trees, and its origin, and it has many different olive gene banks. Very important some genotypes we have, and maybe it has some special chemicals, and we have to use this for medicine. So I'm thinking that we have to follow the way to protect the growers and to shift the growers for producing olive oil for health. By this way, they can earn money, and the people, the other countries out of the Mediterranean countries, they can consume the olive oil as a medicine, not in the kitchen or in other place. This is the way for the Mediterranean countries to protect olive and to live with olive oil.